Hello guys, this is Krishna Gupta. Welcome you all in my channel series on application. I have already shown you all in my previous video what is Canva, how many graphics design are available in this Canva library. So start the new video which is also on Canva. In this video, I will show you how to edit these templates and create a card, create a poster and video etc. using the Canva application. So let's start the application first. First, click on Canva, open it, refresh it, select very first template which is animated social media. Just click on arrow. There are so many templates. First is blank. Blank if you want to create your own animated image or video. If you want to these templates, you can select anyone from these. Just click on one template. I just click on this blue template. There are some suggestions below like colorful, birthday, animated social media, animated, red, yellow, blue. These all are the suggestions related to this particular image. Just click on edit. Click on each and every frame you want to change. You can change it. First, we will see how Canva screen is work. First is back button, second one is redo or undo button. Next is copy frame, users, play button and upload and download. Upload means कि if you want to change your environment, photos or if you want to share this particular template to anyone, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड अपलोड. नेक्स्ट आप बात करते हैं नीचे कि फ्रेम, नंबर ऑफ़ फ्रेम्स यहाँ पर हैं 1 फ्रेम का मतलब है कि नंबर ऑफ़ टेम्पलेट यहाँ पर 1 है. नेक्स्ट आप जितने भी टेम्पलेट ऐड करेंगे नंबर ऑफ़ टेम्पलेट्स यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 उस हिसाब से काउंटिंग यहाँ पर आ जाएगी. नेक्स्ट है आपका प्लस इट मीन्स कि यहाँ से आप कोई भी एनिमेटेड इफेक्ट यहाँ ऐड करना चाहते हैं तो वो यहाँ आ जाएगा. फर्स्ट इज टेक्स्ट, इमेज, वीडियो, स्टिकर, इलस्ट्रेशन, टेम्पलेट, लोगोज, पेजेस एक्सेट्रा. You want to change according to your need. Just click on text box. Text box is simple. It's time to party. No, it's not time to party. Just click on this. If you want to change your text like stay at home, stay safe. Just save. ये आपके फ्रेम के बाहर जा रहा है. इफ़ यू वांट टू एडजस्ट दिस, क्लिक ऑन, जस्ट स्क्रॉल इट, replace. If you want to change the font style, you can select any one from these. This is final. I will click on this symbol, tick mark. Next is size. If you want to change your size, just tick. This is font color like blue, yellow, red and many more colors, green, pink. These all are the colors. Next is align, left and center. You want to change bold, italic. This is just like uppercase, lowercase. Next is spacing. Spacing is letter spacing and line spacing. You can change. Just tick, click it. If you want to change this image, just click on plus, click on image. You can change. You can select any image. If no, just click on plus. If you want to change sticker, take a sticker. Simple. delete previous also, just put it, this is final. Next, if you want to change this picture, just click on plus. First you have to delete it, just click on plus. Sticker, this is star, select, replace. If you want to change transparency, you can change transparency also. If you want to change color, just click on this color, any color you can select. Transparency you want to change, color you want to change, just tick. This is your template. You can just play it. After playing, there are so many effects: rise, breathe, block, pen, slide, fade. You can select any one. I will select slide. Just download it. Processing, making the magic happen. What you want to do? Wait. Process. Just select where you want to upload or where you want to share. I will click on upload to photos. Click on OK. Now you can check your template is ready. Just click on photos. Click. This is your template. This is your final template you have created. Now I will try. We will see another example. Just click on this particular template. Click on edit. Just click on center. Select an image. If you want to change any image, just select it. If you adjust it, you can change. If you have no adjustment, just play it. Effect according to your need. I just select pen, download it. Processing, making the magic happen. You can see this particular image. This is your template, animated template. Just select, upload to photos. OK. Now you can see your template or final image in your photos. Just click on it and see it. This is your template. Now we can take, click on back, template, scroll it, click on array. You can select any one image, whatever you want to change. I just want to change. Click on edit. Click on this text. If you want to change the name or text in this picture, just write, enter. What is the name of birthday girl? If you want to change, just write your name. If you want to change the color of font, just select blue. Different colors you can select. I just select this. Click. You can change your font style also. Font size is 54. Font style you can change. I just select this. Just click on this tick. center, right, left, whatever you want. Italic, this is uppercase, this is lowercase. You can change double A. From double A button, just check, you can change it. Spacing, letter spacing, line spacing, up and down, scroll, left or right. Just click on this. If you want to change this picture, just click on this picture, select any one image, just click, picture is in display. If you want to adjust this picture, you can adjust also. If you want to change your stickers, clip art, just like this, put it here. Next sticker, I just put here. Next sticker, if you want to put like ice cream, just put here. You can change according to your need. Whatever you want to change, you can select and edit. Next, plate, rice. Just select this rice effect, download, making the magic happen. These all animated templates are blinking, movements are there, animations are there. See this particular picture, you can create within 2 minutes. Just upload to photos. Okay. Template is ready. Now you can check it. Just click on photos, select this. This is your final image template. So you can use Canva application for any need. Whatever you want to create, whatever you want to change, you can change according to your need and you can use easily. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.